As you all watched in our previous video, we've purchased a little Chana Star minivan there, and that first wash was on our previous video. So what we're doing is we're going to be rattle canning this entire van. For those of y'all that has not seen Moore's Motorsport, yeah, so I've taken the idea or the concept from Moore's Motorsport. They're on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description to their page. And we want to try and do the same thing here in South Africa. So that little minivan there. So what we're doing is we've checked with the Rust-Oleum. Rust-Oleum didn't get back to me, and here in South Africa Rust-Oleum paint's a lot more expensive. However, we've yesterday came across NASCAR. NASCAR is a paint company that supplies the majority of the automobile stores here, and what we're going to do is we've chose the color bronze. We're going to rattle can that entire van. DIY. It's the first time we're doing something like this. We haven't done it before, so we've got no experience. The only experience I've got is sitting on Moore's Motorsport YouTube channel. Yeah, so we've done the first wash. Let me just take you through what's our next step. What we're going to be doing now is we have decided, hold on, let the car go past first. Okay, so what we've done is we've just basically just neatened the van up so we know what we have to work with, and our next thing is the lights. So before we start with the cans, the lights were pretty faded. I just cleaned them up, but I want to change the lights a little bit. So today we're going to do the lights. We're going to do the headlights. So that's done. And then hopefully if NASCAR gets to see this video, you guys will sponsor us the 20 cans that we're hoping to get to finish off the van on the paintwork side. But there's still quite a bit of body work to be done here and there. There's rust pieces that needs to be fixed here on the door and stuff. But I'm trying to start off with, Zach and I have decided we'll start with the front bumper or the front of the van, and then we'll work our way through the back. So it's a process. There's going to be a good couple of videos, and today we're going to do the lights. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so first and foremost is get the bonnet open and figure out where the screws are, because we want to take this light out. So we've got one star here and one star there. So if you can see, it's not just faded, it's almost discolored completely. And we want to make it, I don't want to put aftermarket headlights on this van. I would want a screwdriver that actually works, and this one ain't working. It's twisting around on its own axle. So change the screwdriver, and this is a nifty little gadget I got as a gift. It's all in one. It's not the right tool, it's doing the job. The right tool was just not working out. So anyway, we're loosening out the screws. I pause. Okay, so now what we're going to have to do is unclip the bulbs and get it off. Should be able to get it off like this. Yeah, there we go. That bulb is burnt. Need to replace. Goes there. This is your main lamp. Right. So we've got this out. Let's take this up. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, then close it. What we did was we added, we blacked it out, and we added lights. If we had it, one not one aftermarket, not one, no, the minimum aftermarket. Oh. Oh. Normal toothpaste. We've sanded this down with 600, then 800, and then I'm just going to use the toothpaste. I don't know if it's going to work or not. We gotta try it. If it don't work, then we're forced to buy a new one. But so far it's working out alright. So here we go. I can already see a difference. So let's just do half and check from there, right? So the idea is to now buff this out. So I got a soft cloth, like a pink cloth. Need to put the pink cloth. Right. And now buff this piece out. Okay, so it's not a high gloss, which is fine because we're going to spray clear lacquer over this eventually. But from what it was, the lights are a lot more clearer now. So there's the, you can see there's the toothpaste is already making a difference. Okay, so let me finish this off and then let's try and put this back together. Okay, pause it. So that's what we're looking at now versus Cockeye Joe this side. So we're just gonna do the side here and then both sides is done. Yeah, so that's it for today. We're gonna do the other light as well and then we'll polish them up or clear lacquer it afterwards when we spring.